everybody, welcome to my next new obsession. This is our new Matchbox die, and I'm going to take you through a little tutorial on how you make these most adorable, sweetest, cutest little matchboxes and how you can decorate them up using this die. So these are some that I made, and they push in both ways like a normal matchbox. You can literally make a matchbox. I made this one out of vellum, so this is from our vellum aluminium set, and I just cut the stripe plate off of a home brand box and put them in there. This one here is also a proper box, so if you had like a wedding or an event and you wanted to give a cute little favour, make actual matches or put something else in there. This one's got little bits of thread in there. They're so cute. We can also use our 6x6 papers. I've used the 6x6 papers and they just have the white centre. Pearl is obsessed with these and just wants to put all her treasures in there. Or if you use our 12x12 papers, of course, you get the colour on the inside as well. Okay, so let me show you how you do it. It is super duper simple. Okay, so these are the two pieces of the die, and I've just worked out this is going to be my cover. So what kind of piece do I want on the top? Probably that piece, and I want that piece, and I'm literally going to cut that out on my die cutting machine. I have just popped a shim under there, and my shim is just a piece of cardstock, right? Because I really want these embossing lines to show up, because that helps me just fold it in place. They go onto the cutting machine. I don't want to move that much. Okay, I'm going to go both ways. So forwards, oops, no I can't because it moved out. So we'll just go one way. Oh, that's fine. I didn't even go both ways, and you can really see those embossing lines are in there. Great. Okay, so all you do is you literally fold on these embossing lines, which it's given us. And that is going to form the outside component of my box. A little bit of our new double-sided tape. Okay. Line it up. So that's the outside component of the matchbox, and again you can see all of those fold lines are on there for me. They've embossed in beautifully. Okay, and there we go, and again we're going to fold those down, down and down. Now this all folds up really well. Again, just a little piece of double-sided tape across the top, and that's going to fold in there. Super cute. Again on the top. That goes inside our matchbox like that, and voila, it's done. How super amazingly easy is that? Let me just decorate this one. Okay, so I've got a little packet of bits and bobs left over here, so I could probably glue some of that on. I quite like the 83. Which way do I want it to go? This way or that way? That's cute. I was making a bow last night with this and it failed, but I could probably use half of that bow under there. Yeah, that's cute. All right. Okay, I've got my 450 glue, and I might use some of this as well. I might just cut up my little rose because I kind of just want the leaves component. Going to glue on that. And my number, just creating some layers. Just cut a couple of these a bit shorter. That can go there. Do I want this big flower or do I want something a bit sweeter? Yeah, I think he's the right size. Hang on a minute, I might have a medium-sized flower. Oh yeah, you're cute. All right, so I'm gonna go with this one. And I'm going to put some of these leaves under. Very cute. I'll add this guy as well. Cute. I love these new crafters tools. Glue some little scissors in there. Anything else? Nah, 3 flowers is a bit too much. Okay, I think I'm done. So there is my cute little matchbox. Oh, it's upside down. Put that back in. I can fill that up now with all my little treasures. This one might have little flowers in it. Pearl will love that. She'll like to play with those with her little bunnies. So there is my Matchbox. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you love our new Matchbox die as much as I do. I am totally obsessed with this. Literally last night we all had baked beans on toast for dinner because I was making all of these cute little sweeties. Till next time, bye.